what's up guys? This is your girl Mizuki and welcome Whoop. Hey, what's up guys? This is your girl Mizuki and welcome back to my channel. So just a little quick update. I am 31 weeks pregnant and that is equivalent to 7 months and a week. And yeah, so far so good. Baby has been doing really good to me, so I have 2 more months left. Guys, I'm super nervous, excited, all in one. But today, if you didn't read the title, this is Artsnacks for the month of January. So if you guys don't know what Artsnacks is a little company that gives you pay monthly or yearly they give you 5 or 4 arts supplies here, full-size art supplies, and they give you the price and all about the art item. And yeah, so you don't have to go to the store, or if you want to try new products, they actually send you some new stuff that goes out in the world, which is really cool about Artsnacks. So the first thing we're gonna be talking about is the Stabilo Sensor Black Fine Liner F-Tip. This pen retails for $2, and here you go guys, this is it. Tip, basic tip. So let's read about it. Let's read how special this fine liner is. So it says here, whether you're sketching or writing, you'll reach for the Stabilo Sensor Fine Liner again and again. Designed to be perfect all around fine liner, this pen features a 0.3 millimeter tip that can withstand high drawing pressure. The felt tip retracts into the metal casing, so no breaking or bending occurs. You'll only experience a smooth, consistent performance with this pen. Alright, so that's pretty cool. So I got my clipboard and I got the pen, and I'm gonna just do like a little sketch here, or a swatch as you call it. So this is it. It's just like a regular pen that you have. Like I have a couple of Stabilos, I have a couple of other ones that range about the same price, even cheaper. So the next item that we're going to be talking about is one of my favorites. I do use this on the regular when I do paint. This is called the Golden Fluid Acrylics. They retail from $6.69 to $7.09 each. So this is what they look like if you don't know what the Golden Fluid Acrylic is. And they gave me 2 colors. So they gave me like ivory, and then they gave me like a dark brown. This is Titan Buff, and this one is Burnt Amber Light, or Umber. So they're not the most exciting colors, but what you get, right? So this is the staff's favorite. As you can see here, they point out like staff favorite here. So it says, experience high intense pigment acrylic color with Golden Fluid Acrylics. This month we're packed to your box with 2 bold colors, produced for a light fast pigment instead of dyes. They have a same strength as Golden Heavy Body Acrylics, but with a thin consistency similar to the heavy cream. Alright, so that's cool. I'm not gonna swatch these guys. I do want to do a little sketch regarding all my supplies that I did get, so I have to see if I have to find the color, but I do remember I do have these colors. If not, then I will have to open them, because I'm going to do a little sketch, not at the end of the video, but what I'm going to post on Instagram if you guys don't follow me. Make sure you guys do. The next item is a brush. I always like getting brushes because I don't really spend my money on brushes, on high quality brushes, so usually my packs are like $5 for like 6 different brushes. So basically it's like less than $1 that I'm buying it for. But when I receive brushes from Artsnacks, they usually range from $3 all the way up to like $12. So I never will spend that type of money individually when I go to the store. So that's why I like to get them on the Artsnacks, because I do keep them. Ooh. So let's read about the brush. The King Art Original Gold 9000 Series Golden Taklon Brush, round size 2. That's a pretty long description. So this is what it looks like. Regular brush. Here's the details on the side. Let me go a little bit closer. Alright, so we see this is a new to Artsnacks. So this is new to Artsnacks. So let me read a little bit about it. It says here, the King Art designed their brushes with the artist in mind, manufacturing them to survive years of steady use. The original Gold 9000 series Golden Teclon brush featured smooth filaments that have been baked for softness and optimal absorption. The bristles are resilient and easily spring back to their original shape. Oh, so that's pretty cool. I like this. So I'm going to add it to the rest of my collection of brushes that I received from Artsnacks. Last item that we have here is a little booklet. It's called the Stonehenge Aqua Color Press Heavy Mini Paper Pad by Legion Paper. So this one is actually a bonus item. They added this extra. It's pretty cool. It looks like a multimedia. It has like really thick paper. A multimedia, so you can use anything really. Look how thick the paper is. It's pretty cool. Alright, so let's read about it. It says, for Stonehenge paper, versatility is the name of the game. Made in the US, this is 100% cotton paper. It can be handled in a variety of wet medias, like I said. It says cold press heavy has the heft of 600 GSM. So I'm guessing that's the thickness of the paper. It says to take multiple layers of colors in controllable way. Whether you use watercolor, acrylic, wash, or colors will stay vibrant from the bottle to the paper. So they're basically saying, you know, when you use the material or it won't decrease the color or anything. It will always stay vibrant. So this is what it looks like. Really cute little thing. I'm actually going to keep it. It's really cool. Thick paper. It's like Bristol paper, but really good quality paper. Hope you guys like this video. I know I've been on and off on social media, really. My Instagram, I've really been posting there most of the time. So if you guys do follow me, I am alive. I think I have 2 more art snacks that I'm going to be doing. Hopefully filming for tomorrow and then on Saturday. And posting them all up this week. So hopefully that will be doing really good. And then after that I'll be all caught up. But as for the supplies for today, I'm actually going to do like a little quick sketch on my Instagram. I'm going to show you the outcome of these art supplies that I received for the month of January. So if you guys want to keep posted on that, don't forget to follow me on my social media. Don't forget to follow me on my social media at Zuki_art. I'm going to post the name right here, and don't forget to subscribe down below. You guys are amazing. Thank you for sticking with me through my journey. And yeah, so if you guys are in New York, I am planning to do pins and patches and pins. It's gonna be in New York April 20th. So I'm still waiting for the application, but I was contacted by the person who does organize the whole thing, and hopefully I'm gonna get in there. I'm gonna keep you posted about that. But if you guys do like patches, pins, and stickers and anything really cool, definitely attend. It's in New York City and Metropolitan, I think, building. I'm gonna give you all the information once I find out everything. So other than that, thank you guys for being my true Zuki soldiers. You guys are amazing, sticking with me throughout my journey. And yeah, so I hope you have a wonderful weekend. I'm going to probably see you Friday because I'm going to be posting again Friday and Saturday. So Zuki is out.